how to make a game pass on Roblox. So if you want to make a game pass in your Roblox, then what you need to do is first open up your Roblox application, or you can also go with your browser. So I'll be comfortable with my browser. You can open up any browser that you're comfortable with and then go for your browser, open up your account, and then under the search, you need to search for roblox.com. Once you've searched for roblox.com, now it will take you to the login page where you need to log into your account under your Roblox. Once you've logged into your account, you will have this kind of interface. Now, if you want to add a game pass in your Roblox, then what you need to do is simply go for the upper right, which has that settings option, and then again go for the settings. And under your settings, now let me show you one thing that you need to simply go for the upper side, and then you need to enter a link create.roblox.com. Here, you need to simply go for the dashboard, which is on the upper side, upper left. Once you're here on the dashboard, now you will have an option of passes right here. And here you may have a passes option. You need to simply click on the passes and it will ask you if you want to create a pass. So if you don't have the pass option, then you need to simply open up that. And once you've opened, now here on the left, you will have a passes option. Go for the passes, and under your passes, now here it will ask you if you want to create a pass. Click on create a pass to create a pass on your Roblox. Once you click on create, now you need to enter the name of the pass, and then you need to enter this description. Once you've entered the description, click on create pass and your pass will be created. So that's how you can make a game pass in your Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.